going to take some rust penetrant, just spray the stud right there. Then I'm going to do the same on the other side. Let that soak for a minute. Take a 14mm wrench and loosen up the nut. You can use a 5mm hex head socket and prevent the stud from spinning. Another way to do this, take some locking pliers and get behind the stud. Keep it from spinning. Then you can use a 14mm socket. Take it off that way. Take that off. And then to take this other nut off, you're going to do the same thing. Now you can slide the link out, just like that. Now I take the new link and just line it up. And put the nuts on. With these studs, you can use a 14mm wrench on the back side of the stud to prevent it from spinning, and a 15mm socket. Tighten these down. Now you can torque these to 29 foot-pounds.